Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that often arises when working with x86-64 NASM. The problem we're tackling involves optimizing code for performance while maintaining readability. We have a case where we need to initialize registers for a loop in the most efficient way possible, while also keeping the code easy to understand. It's a classic problem that many developers encounter, so let's explore the solution together. In our solution, we discussed different approaches to initializing registers at the beginning of a loop. We weighed the pros and cons of using straightforward instructions versus clever tricks to reduce code size. While clever tricks may seem appealing for size optimization, they can actually harm performance in some cases. For example, clearing and decrementing a register instead of setting it directly can introduce unnecessary complexity and hinder efficiency. Similarly, deriving registers from other registers can create dependencies that impact performance on certain architectures. It's essential to strike a balance between code size and performance to ensure optimal results. In summary, when optimizing code, it's crucial to prioritize performance over size. While size optimization can be beneficial in certain scenarios, it's essential to consider the impact on performance. By understanding the implications of different approaches to code optimization, you can make informed decisions that enhance the overall efficiency of your applications. And remember, always let benchmarks guide your optimization strategy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Happy coding!